Alright, so I got my battery charger to a battery to trick it, and then I got jumper cables spread out going to my gas tank, right? I made an electrolysis tank. It's cooking. I've got a positive lead on a bolt that I have rubber on the bottom and rubber on the side so it doesn't spark, and then I have the tank grounded itself. And it looks like, so if I get a shot of that, looks like it's working. Got a bunch of rust water floating around. I'll show you guys when it's done. I've had luck with this before. We'll see if it's got what it takes to get rid of some of that nasty rust that I had in there. Alright, so let's turn this off and see what the anode looks like. Thing's pretty nasty. So we'll clean that off and see what comes out of the tank. Blech. Ew. All right, well here's my my gas tank. I'm gonna try to treat the inside. I've done electrolysis, I've done vinegar. I got it pretty clean, but there's a bunch of flash rust in the bottom. See if I can get a good shot of that. So I'm gonna use this POR 15 fuel tank sealer. I'm gonna read the directions on the back, and I'm gonna slosh it around and then see what it looks like. All right, so here's the contents inside. It looks pretty gross. I'm told by others that have used it that you need to stir because all of the gritty parts get to the bottom. I'm going to stir this for about a minute, and then I'm going to pour it into my funnel I made out of an Amazon package. So I'll get back to you when I'm done stirring. Alright, so I put the tank sealer in the tank, and I just covered it with duct tape. I have a hose with vice grips on the bottom. And it's been sitting for about 30 minutes. I rotated it around so it'll cover all the seams and all surface area. So I'm just following the directions now, and I'm just going to drain it out into this bucket, hopefully. So let's see if I could do that here. Just release my vice grips and release my vice grips here. There it is. And then let that drip up out of there. I'll change this at different angles. Try to get all that out of there. Let's see. There it goes. Alright, so I'll do what the directions say. It says let set for at least 96 hours. So after I drain this, I'll let it sit for 96 hours, and then yeah, we'll see what we got on the inside. Alright, final steps. I'm going to get rid of this square gas tank that I have right here, and I'm going to add this Honda style tank. I changed the gas tank, and I also decided that I would change all the fuel lines as well. I had to make a return. I put it in the cap with a brass fitting and a grommet, and then I changed all of my other fuel lines to automotive fuel line with clamps. So after I got all that done, I took it for a ride from driveway to driveway. Thanks for watching.